Welcome to the Quick Start tutorial for Google Cloud VPC. On the VPC network page, select Create VPC Network. For name, type in Auto-Network 1. Under Subnet Creation mode, select Automatic. Then click Create. The auto network will now be created. Let's create a custom network. Create new network by clicking on Create VPC Network again. Under the name, type Custom-Network 1. Click on the Add Subnet button. Under Name, type Subnet-US-Central-192. Select US Central 1 as the region. In the IP address, type 192.168.1.0/24. Select Add Subnet button again. Under Name, type Subnet-Europe-West-192. Select Europe West 1 as the region and type the IP address as 192.168.5.0/24. Now select Add Subnet one more time. Under Name, type Subnet-Asia-East-192. Select Asia East 1 as the region and type the IP address as 192.168.7.0/24. Select Create. Congratulations! You've now created a custom network and an automatic VPC network.